Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are fine at home. Today, we are going to learn a composition. Today, we are going to learn a composition. The topic of the composition is my mother. My mother. The topic of our composition is my mother. And this is very important question. It can come for the third semester exam. So children, please learn all these sentences very well. And in this only 5 sentences are given that you must learn. All the 5 sentences are very important. You must learn it. Okay. And the syllabus which we have to complete for third semester is over. This is the last one, and today we will finish all our syllabus. So you can prepare and practice well from tomorrow. Okay. Then yesterday we completed lesson 28. That was the last lesson for the semester, and this is one composition. Okay. Now we will read and understand. My mother. My mother is the topic. Okay. You know about your mother. How is your mother? How much work she does for you? How much you love your mother? You know very well, isn't it? So you can make your own sentences also. Many sentences you can write. You can speak about your mother. Okay. My mother is the most important person in my life. In everybody's life, their mother will be their most important person. In your life also, you are a child now. So in your life, your mother's place is very much important. Because your mother only does everything for you. When you grow up, sometimes you may be able to do some work for you. But now, all the work, everything your mother does for you. Okay. So here what's the meaning? My mother is the most important person in my life. The first most important means the first position. The important person, the first place I give in my life to my mother. Understood? She is the important person in my life. Yes. So first sentence, I think now it's clear for you. My mother is the most important person in my life. She is the most important, means I am needed so much. Without my mother, I can't live. The most important person in my life. Okay. The more importance I give to my mother in my life. Now, second sentence. She works hard from morning to night. How your mother does the work at home? She works hard from morning to night. From early morning when she gets up, that time onwards she starts working. And morning to night, till she goes to sleep. She works full time. She goes on working. She doesn't take any rest. If she is working somewhere outside, from office or from school, somewhere if she is going and working and coming, after her coming, again she will start working at home. So all the work she does at home also. Okay. So she works hard from morning to night. Next one. She makes me ready for school and looks after my family. She makes me ready for school. When there is regular classes, when I have to go to school, she makes me ready. My mother makes me ready for school. And looks after my family. She looks after my family also. She looks after my family. My small brother will be there, my small sister will be there, my grandpa, my grandma, many are there at home. So after my coming, she looks after them also. She looks after them also, and the same way works so much hard from morning to night. Next one. She helps me in doing my homework. After the school, when I reach home, after my tea, after my play, she helps me in doing my homework. Then she comes to help me. Isn't it? Your mother helps you in doing your homework. So she helps me in doing my homework. She does all the help for me, which I don't understand how to write, where to write. When I don't know, my mother helps me. That's the meaning. Next one. I love my mother very much. I love my mother so much. Very much means I love my mother very much. So much. My mother, I love the most. Many people are there at home. Many persons are there. But I love my mother the most. Understood? This is the meaning. So 5 sentences are there. My mother is the most important person in my life. First sentence. She works hard from morning to night. Second sentence. She makes me ready for school and looks after my family. Third sentence. She helps me in doing my homework. Fourth sentence. I love my mother very much. It is very easy composition. Very easy. So this I think after hearing the class, after hearing the video class, you can learn just now also. Okay? Because it is written on the board. And plus I'll send it in your study material. You can write from your study material also. And don't make any spelling mistake. Write the correct spelling and learn well. And it is very important question. So you must learn it by heart. You should know how to write it. And if you want, you can make your own sentences, no problem. But there should be 5 sentences, minimum 5 sentences. Okay, in higher class when you go, composition means many sentences will be there. But here now you are in class 2, so I am giving you only 5 sentences. So that you must learn. Okay? So prepare well for the exam. And I think all are doing here easy writing. Daily do 1 page writing so that you can improve your handwriting. Okay? Thank you, children.